Hello friend, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am your online trainer Khalid Mahmud. If you are learning AutoCAD and want to improve your drafting skill, then you are in the right place. Today we will create this exercise 33 step by step in AutoCAD. This tutorial is perfect for beginner, so stay tuned till the end. So let's get started. Before we start, we need to download this PDF exercise link in the description box. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the drawing. Open your AutoCAD and set the unit. Type units command, press enter and set as a millimeter. Press OK. Now, use the turn on grid mode using F7 and ortho mode it will be F8 for precise your drawing. Now step 2. Drawing the center circle. Draw the larger center circle of diameter 28 using circle command. As you see in this diagram, we need to create this circle. So using C for circle command, press enter, click on a specific point, press D for diameter, put a value of your circle as a 28, press enter. Now we need to create second circle. Circle will be this one. Diameter will be 22. So now create a circle on same center point. D for diameter, 22, press enter. Now use move command, M for move, L for last object, enter. Click on a specific point and use ortho for activate a straight mover. Put your cursor downside and put a value as a 60. Press enter. Now we need to create one more circle as a radius 22. So use circle command, C for circle, click on this center point and put a value as a 22. Press enter. We need to create one more circle as a diameter 18. So need to create on the same center point. So use C for circle command, click on the center point and put a diameter using D, enter, 1818. Now again M for move, L for last object, press enter, click on a specific point and move left side as a 48.5. Press enter. Now we need to move this circle upside, it will be 19. M for move, upside it will be 19. Press enter. Now again create one more circle using C for circle command. Click on the center point and radius will be 18. Press enter. So we are complete these circles and these circle and also these circle. So now we need to create these outer profile. So if you see very carefully, from this center point create a circle radius 35. So now C for circle command, click on the same center point and put a value as a radius 35. Press enter. Now we need to create these parts. So you can use fillet command, otherwise you can use circle as a tangent circle. Now we are going to create C for circle, TTR for tangent circle. Click on this point to this point and put a value as a 16. Press enter. Now we are going to create these curve using fillet command. F for fillet, R for radius. Radius value will be 16. Press enter. Using trim, T for trim and choose as a no trim. Select this circle and also this circle. Now we are going to trim unwanted parts. So TR double enter. Trim this one, also this one and this one. If you see this one, select E for erase. If you see very carefully, we are complete these curves. So now we are going to create these slotted holes. So now we are going to create circle on same center point. C for circle, click on this center point and put a radius as a 22, press enter. Now using move command, M for move, L for last object, enter. Downside it will be 60, press enter. Now again using RO for rotate command, L for last object, press enter. Click on this center point and choose an angle. Now need to off ortho and choose an angle as a 40, press enter. Now we are going to create one more circle. This circle radius will be 11. So use C for circle command, click on this point and put our value as a radius 11, press enter. Now again as same as both circle create on this point. So use copy command, first select this circle using CO for copy, click on this center point and choose ortho and hold a control key, press a right click using from this point to upside it will be 90, press enter. Now again select this circle, use M for move and put a move right side as a 48, press enter. Now we need to join these lines and create a slot. So choose line command, L for line, and before choose this line command type OS for O snap. So select here clear all and choose only tangent, press OK. Now choose a line command, L for line, click this point to this point. Again same as click this point to this point. As same as for this one, click this one to this one. Now also for these curves, from this one to this one. Now we need to trim unwanted part of this drawing. So use TR, double enter, trim this one, this one, this one, and also this one. As same as need to trim this one. If you see very carefully, we are complete almost 50% of your drawing. So we need to create this part and also this part and this one. Okay. So first we need to create these two circles. First circle radius will be 11 and inner circle radius will be 7. So use circle command, C for circle command, click on same center point. So use OS for O snap setting and choose as a select all, press OK. Now we need to create this one using C for circle command, click on this center point and radius will be 11, press enter. Now M for move, L for last object, enter, click on any specific point and move upward as a 88, press enter. Now again create one more circle as an inner circle, radius will be 7. We need to create line for these line and these line. So L for line from this center point to left side as a 22, press enter, and downside it will be 9.52, press enter. Now we need to create these curves. So before we need to create this curve, select this line using MI for mirror command and mirror this line, press no. Now use C for circle, TTR, enter. Select this circle to this line and put a value as a radius 44, press enter. Now as same as this side. Now this one using fillet command, using F for fillet, R for radius and put a value as a radius 44, enter. Click this line to this circle. Now trim unwanted part of your drawing. This one, and also this one. This one and also this inner part of this circle. Now finalize this drawing. Check all the dimension, layers, ensure your drawing is neat and clean. So select these all the part of your drawing. Go to properties and check as a line thickness 0.30. Now we need to add dimension of this drawing. After add, your drawing will see just like that. Now save your drawing using Ctrl S. You can also export it as a PDF using plot command. So congratulations, you have successfully created exercise 33 in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, then hit a like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. And also join our YouTube channel to support us and get exclusive content. See you in the next tutorial. Tata, bye bye, take care.